sick and tired of all these games I'm playing, and I know it's all my fault. I should have never tried this on my own. I should have listened from the start. Now I'm spinning in circles, going nowhere fast, wondering how long I'm gonna let this last. So I cry out to you, I listen for your voice. Your silence is confusing, it's tearing me apart. I'm not sure where I'm going or what I'm supposed to do, but I know when I get there, the silence will be there too. Come and moments go, and in one moment you take all I know away from me, so I can see where I am supposed to be. Moments come and moments go, and in one moment you take all I know away from me, so I can see where I am supposed to be. Now I'm spinning in circles, going nowhere fast, wondering how long this silence will last. So I cry out to you, I listen for your voice. Your silence is confusing, it's tearing me apart. I'm not sure where I'm going or what I'm supposed to do, but I know when I get there, the silence will be there too. Silence was the answer I needed all along. It was hard to understand when things were going wrong, and everything's so clear now. The pain has faded away. Your silence, it spoke louder than any words you could say.